Hey guys, this is another Galaxy Note 9 video. The great thing about the Note 9 is it comes with 128 gigabytes of memory already on board. However, it also is one of the few top-end phones that actually has a memory card slot. So you can put a micro SD card right in the phone. So I'm going to put another 128 gigabytes in the phone so that I can use that to store video and photographs. And because I'm going to be doing video, I want the response time, I want the way the phone talks to the memory to be fast, and that is a factor of what type of memory card you buy. So this is a class 3 ultra high speed card, and it's made by Samsung, so no compatibility problems there. Not that if you bought a SanDisk one it wouldn't be that much different, but the SanDisk happens to be more right now. Right now, this 128 gigabyte as of this filming cost me 20 bucks online. So 20 bucks for all that memory, can't beat it. Now the thing is though, how do I get this in there, because this door is sealed? Well, go back to the box that you bought, the the box that the phone came in. There's this sleeve here, and when you open that up, there's this thing, and you're like, what the heck is that thing, right? So this is a little tool that you use, and if you don't have this tool, it's fine. You can use a needle or a very thin nail, but you take this tool and you stick it right in the hole right here. See that little hole to the right of the door? And that just pops this top open just the slightest little bit. You pull that out, and then what you see there is, you see your SIM card, right? So that's cool, because if you ever want to replace your phone, you take the SIM card, it's got all your information on it, and here's what it looks like on the back. And what you do is you take the memory card, and see how it's shaped like that with the little divot out of it? So you take that memory card and you pop it into place just like that, so that the shiny sides where the pickups are going to be are on the bottom, and the stuff with the writing on it is on the top. Okay, now the lettering faces the front of the phone. This is the front of the phone, this is the back of the phone, this is the front of the phone, and you just slide that baby right back in there like so, and just push it until it's flush, and that's it. So that's how you install it. Now let's fire up this phone, and we'll see if I can't go to settings. And while that's firing up, I'm going to put this tool back, because I don't want to lose that, because that's the right perfect size to perform this procedure whenever I want to take that memory card out, throw it in my computer. And the nice thing also is this comes with, the memory comes with a card reader as well. So we're going to pop this sucker open here. We're going to go to my settings. Oh, okay, great. I got a text message. Settings, and we're going to go to beep 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 beep. I'm going to go to memory. Where's memory? System updates, connections, sounds, vibrations, notifications, display. Storage and memory. So we're under device care. Pop that up. Just checking the device. 2.8 gigabytes free. Memory. System space. Okay, that's not it. I thought this was going to be a little bit easier than it was. Alright, look. About phone. No. Connections, display, notifications, wallpaper, theme, lock screen, biometric security, accounts and backup, advanced features. Storage, yeah. It'd be storage. That's it, storage. Alright, so now under storage, it says here we've got an SD card, 120, I'm sorry, it says that there's 119.2 gigabytes free and 6 megabytes being used, probably by whatever needs to be used for the operating system. So yeah, so we got all this available space now. So that's pretty cool. So anytime we want to store something we can put it on the SD card now instead of the actual phone memory. So, and then we can transfer the files in and out. So, all right, that's enough for this video. So I showed you how to install the SD card using the tool that was provided in the box that the phone came in. So that's it. That's all for this video. We'll show you some more stuff about transferring files and that in the next video. So if you like this video, please give it a like. If you would subscribe to the channel, that'd be awesome. That would really, really help me, because I'm trying to scale back a little bit at work, and this would help me to like keep my hobby and maybe I even get some income going in here. And there's no like cost to you by hitting subscribe. You just hit subscribe and that helps me. So that would be great. And if you have any questions or comments, go ahead and put them in the thing below. I appreciate that. Have a great day. Make it a great one and enjoy your phone. Take care.